Let's welcome back everyone to our second video. And this second video, I am going to be teaching you guys about our grammar lesson. And in our grammar lesson today, we're gonna study about the simple present. So actually, we have already studied about the simple present in many times, right? But at this time, it just may be the time that to improve yourself about using the simple present. Okay, so now we're gonna talk about our lesson together. So it is about page 26. So turn your book to page 26 together. Yes, so on page 26, our title, she doesn't live in my country. She doesn't live in my country. Okay, like what I said, our grammar structure today is talking about the simple present. Yes, simple present. How to use the simple present? Yes, so we have many usage of the simple present. Like we have used the simple present to talk about facts and people's habit routines, right? Okay, so now let's talk about something facts. Okay, what is facts, everyone? Fact is real, true, right? Okay, so something facts in the world. So we have the earth goes around the sun. Actually the earth goes around the sun, as we know that scientific talk about it already, right? Okay, so next is the earth has round shape. The earth has round shape. We know that the earth, it actually has the round shape, right? Okay, next is the sun rises in the east. You know the east, we have the east, we have the west, we have the south, right? Okay, so the sun rises in the east. Okay, so next is water boils at 100 Celsius. Actually, when the temperature is getting to the 100 Celsius, the water actually boils, right? Okay, next is doctors study for many years. As we know that doctors, if you want to become a doctor, you have to spend a lot of years to study or to master in doctoral program, right? Okay, so this is about what the doctors, they have to spend time, many years, right? Okay, so this is about the facts. These are about facts, something facts in the world. Okay, so now let's talk about habits. What is your habit, everyone? Yes, so we're gonna talk about people habits. So as what you can see in our example, one, I walk to school every day. So it's talking about your habit that you spend time to walk to school every day, right? Okay, next is Anna gets up every morning at 7 a.m. So every morning, 7 a.m. Anna gets up, always gets up, right? Okay, so this is talking about the habit of someone, like the way that, like the routine that we use it, like we do it regularly or every day, right? Okay, last one, I play football in the evening. Every evening, I play football, right? So these are talking about your habits, a person habit, okay? So in your group study, you can spend some time to chat with your friends and your teacher, which talking about your habits that you almost do every day, right? Okay, so that's it about the using and also the examples of something facts and the people's habits. Right, so now we move on to the forms. So what are the forms in the simple present? So we do have three forms. First one is positive form. So positive form, we have the subject plus verb plus object. Okay, so subject, what are they, everyone? Yes, we do have the I, you, we, they, he, she, it are the subject. Okay, right, so negative. For negative, we do have do or does and the word not, which mean represent to the negative form, right? So subject plus do, does, and not plus verb plus object. Okay, right. So what about question form, everyone? We do ask question form with begin with do or does plus subject plus verb and plus the object. Okay, so these three forms are really important for you to understand, and if you want to pursue yourself in using the simple present, you must have known about the forms. Okay, this is about the structures that you need to remember. All right, so one thing that it's really important to know is in simple present that you use with the subject he, she, or it. So all of the verb you have to add s, right? So mostly we see the word we see the letter s with each verb. that using with the subject he, she, or it, right? Okay, like he, she, or it plus verbs plus object. For example, as what you can see in our 3 examples in here, he talks to his friends. He talks to his friend. So he talks. Talk is the verb. So you have to add s because it used with the subject he, right? Okay, next is she swims at the pool. She swims at the pool. Last one, it plays well. It plays well. All right. So these are what we're talking about, the simple present, the usage, the examples, the also the form as well. Okay, just to inform you again, so for the usage of the simple present, it's really easy. We use it to talk about people's habit, something is fact or true, right? Okay, for about something is fact, you can talk a lot of things in the world which is facts or true, real, right? Okay, for the people habits, actually we use it to talk about someone habits or the routine, right? That you regularly do it, right? All right, so we come to an end of our video lesson today. So thanks everyone for participating in this online class. Thanks everyone. See you tomorrow.